Before I jump into the rest of the questions, there were a few common ones that I want to, of course, address pehle. First of all, my name is Shraddha Gurung. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And my full name is Shraddha Gurung, but I like to go by the name Little Miss Gurung on all of my social media, hence the channel name. I am 23 years old. A lot of you asked me how old I was, so I just wanted to mention it here. I have done my schooling from Cambridge School, Noida, and I have graduated in English literature, like did my bachelor's in literature from Sri Aurobindo College, which is a part of Delhi University. Okay, so now with the basic information out of the way, let's dive right into the questions. Okay, so Vidhi Anu has asked, my question for you is, how do you deal with the days when you don't do the things you plan to do? I mean, the days when your productivity lowers. Love you. First of all, love you too. Secondly, I actually have learned it the hard way, but I kind of don't stress myself out too much when things don't go as planned, and that has really, calmed me down because I tend to stress way too much. So I let it go. Like if today is not productive, I think of it like, ठीक है, आज करना था, नहीं हुआ, कल कर लेंगे. So that's kind of what my mantra has now become. And नहीं होता productivity जिस दिन तो नहीं होता. Like that's how I deal with it, honestly. I just let it be. I just let it pass, and I just try and do it better the next day. Nazreen Sakina, I am pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. Please forgive me for that. Ask me, how old are you? At what age did you start earning? How much was your first salary? What did you do with your first salary? And is it worth doing post-graduation in this era, or should I start working now? Okay, first of all, that's a lot of questions. I mentioned it right at the beginning of the video. I am 23. I think I started working when I was 19 or 20. So it's been 3 years, 4 years. I started in the middle of the month, so I got only like I don't know if it was it 50%. It was somewhere around that. I got 15,000 as my salary because I joined right in the middle on the 15th of November. So 15,000 was my first salary, technically. I started with that, and post-graduation honestly depends on what your requirement is, what is the kind of job that you're looking for, and what industry are you going in. Because in media, I don't think a post-graduation degree is important. Like in what I'm doing right now, content creators don't need to like have a degree or anything. But apart from that, if you want to get into the corporate world, degrees do matter. I just have okay, so I have been getting a lot of questions about PopXO as well, and guys, I have quit PopXO a year and a half ago. All of us have quit. Cherry, Komal and I and Roshni, we've quit a long time ago. I was pretty much the last person to quit actually, and that is about it. I think a lot of people ask me why did I quit, and like, was there like is there some tea or is there some gossip? I'm sorry, but there's none. I actually always had planned to work there for 2 years and then just start something of my own. I always wanted to have my own platform, my own channel. So I always thought that I'll work there for 2 years and then I'll move on, but I actually stayed on for long, and I quit because I genuinely thought that all the things that I could learn from that particular job, and all that I could do for that particular, and yeah, that is it. I mean, once you get a job and like once you've been there for a couple of years, you need to see if there's more, like there's room for more growth in that particular company, in that particular what do you call it, department. And if you think that you can grow in the company but maybe in a different department, you can always ask you can always ask HR, you can always speak to the people in your office, and they can always definitely help you with it. But I genuinely thought that I was done, like in a lot of aspects. So yeah, that's the reason I quit. And we really now, Komal, Cherry, Roshni, all of us, we don't know when the PopXO videos are coming out because we are not employed by them anymore. We're all independent creators, and yeah, that's it. Also, yes, I am in touch with every single person from PopXO. we do not have a bad blood. I think I'm the most, like, I'm closest with Roshni, and that too has been like since the time we met there. Baki, I'm obviously close with Komal, and we're like we're not very, Cherry and I are not very close, but we're still friends, so that. Okay, so Alicia has asked, do you feel any criticism for being, I can't talk today, from being from Northeast, or any instance that you faced? I actually technically am not from the Northeast, I'm from Nepal, but I do get what you're asking. And yeah, there have been countless times where I've faced racism. And in this particular field, I think I remember someone asking about being a YouTuber like in India and how it is for me. I have never faced any racism in terms of the industry that I'm in, and that's something that I'm actually really grateful for. But in life, there have been countless racist encounters, and they've actually mostly been like, if I was out in the market, somebody passed a comment, or I don't know, man, catcalling, racism, all of those things just go hand in hand. So I have experienced that. It has completely reduced, like, yeah, in the past 5 years, 6 years, I haven't experienced anything like that. Thankfully, I am one of the lucky ones that have not experienced that kind of racism on a day-to-day. On social media also, there are times where people do, I don't know, try to hate on you, try to pick on you by just being racist, but I think that has more to do with them than it has to do with me, and that's pretty much the reason why it doesn't like bother me so much. If you do face this in your personal life with your own circle, then make sure that you're having a discussion, and make sure that you're letting them know that it's not okay and it's not a joke. Like, I know a lot of people are like, haha, just kidding, bol ke side kar dete baatein, which are actually meant to be hurtful, or they're actually you know, said in a nasty way. So the best way to deal with it is to call them out and ask them to fuck right off. Hi little Miss Gurung. Hi Toishi. I love your skin. It looks bright, plump and so nice. Would love it if you would make videos on skincare and more review. Okay, so I've also gotten a lot of questions and comments and DMs about my skincare routine and products that I like, reviews. So you can expect skincare reviews very soon. And for my skincare routine, I actually posted a video. I'm going to link it somewhere here on the screen. And I have posted one very recently. I posted a couple of them a few weeks, not weeks, a few months ago. Baki, I am definitely coming up with a lot of content. July, I have decided that moving on, I'm gonna be posting 2 videos a week. Okay, so Parnavi asked, in this lockdown, how do you get content ideas and what do you do when you can't think of anything? I kind of let it go, you know. I note down my ideas sometimes, like in my notes ka folder on my phone, and I just let them sit there. So the next time when I'm actually in that zone, when I'm filming or when I'm planning what to film next, I always look back to those notes and like what was I thinking and how can I make this better, or when can I execute this. So when I don't get many great ideas, I go to YouTube, I watch other videos, I see what people are doing, what people are liking, I see what I like and what is the kind of content that I'm consuming, and I just enjoy being a spectator, you know. I enjoy being an audience, and trust me, this has been a very long journey, like being comfortable with not feeling my creative best, getting creative blocks, or just being overwhelmed by what's happening around the world, really. So yeah, I don't like I don't stress too much about it. I just take breaks. So that's what I like to do. Also, another thing that I like to do, which is I think just a content creator's thing, is that I like to go on my stories and talk to you guys. I think it really puts me in a good mood, and it also is like you get someone to talk to, and I have like all of you guys to talk to, my Instagram followers, you guys on YouTube. That's a lot of people, so I'm very grateful about that, and that's kind of what I do. Talking to you guys is so much fun, and you all are so honest and so funny. Love it. I I absolutely love it. I think there's also camera got shut while I was talking. Great. So I took the liberty to do my brows, and abhi na, you can't really go to a salon. My mom used to actually thread my brows, but she's not well, so वो अभी नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो अभी मेरे ब्राउज थोड़े से जंगली हैं, एंड मैंने ट्वीज़र लेके उसे प्लग किया था, सही किया था, लेकिन वो बढ़ गया वापस, एंड नाउ इट्स स्टिल like it's become uneven again. So no matter how much you try with makeup, they're still going to be uneven. So like this is the closest that I could get them, and I think like one side is still patla. I also think that मैंने प्लकर से अपना शेप थोड़ा सा ख़राब कर दिया था, like एक साइड का कुछ कर दिया था, दूसरी साइड का कुछ. So दोस्तों, अगर आपको प्लकर इस्तेमाल करना नहीं आता है तो मत करिए, क्योंकि मेरे जैसा आईब्रोज हो जाएंगे फिर आपके. Nandini Sharma has asked this, your favorite brand for t-shirts, especially please do a video of your favorite clothing of yours during the lockdown. Favorite brand to buy oversized t-shirt from? Okay, I love buying t-shirts from H&M and I love buying them from Max Fashion as well. तो मेरे जो घर के oversized वाली जो t-shirts होती हैं, जो comfortable वाली t-shirts होती है ना, जो आप पहन के मतलब उसमें छेद हो जाते हैं, वो वाली t-shirts are from Max Fashion because they're cheap and they're actually really soft and comfortable, and they don't get ruined easily no matter how much you wear them. So that way those t-shirts really stay. And H&M ones, because the basics fit really nice, the quality again is great, the pricing is also okay. It's okay, like it's quite affordable. Okay, so today I'm in the mood for colorful liner, so मैं pink eyeliner लगाने वाली हूँ to match my pink sari, because why not? And if you're wondering what I'm getting ready for, I am getting ready for absolutely nothing. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys, I am hosting my first ever makeup workshop this weekend. We'll probably do it on Sunday, and I'm actually hosting that workshop because I want to raise funds to be able to buy masks and give it to people who need it and cannot afford it. So yeah, that's the plan. If you are if you're interested in learning the basics of makeup, how to find how to select the right products for your skin type, basics of contouring, highlighting, and also an everyday look, an office wear look, and how to glam up using everything that you already have, product recommendations obviously, and also a live Q&A. The link for registering for the workshop will be mentioned in the description. I have put the fees as rupees 450 because I think that's really affordable, and again, I'm not keeping any of the money. I just want to raise some money and donate it to someone in need. And so another set of questions that I received were, when are videos coming up next, and will I be trying new formats of videos, different things? And the answer to that is, my videos are going to be coming now regularly this month onwards, and the next video will be up on Sunday. As for trying new formats, yes, for sure. I actually have only been waiting because I don't have access to my videographer right now, and I'm not that great at filming videos myself. I also don't have the right equipments at home, so thoda sa wait karna padega uske liye. But I do have some amazing funny videos coming up as well, and I'm also planning to shoot like my cooking videos. Like that's something that my Instagram audience really enjoys, and I think you guys would like it too. Let me know in the comments. Actually, I'm not very sure about that. Maybe I'll like put it in like a more of a chill vlog format. That's kind of what I have in mind. So for the eyes today, I decided to just put on some pink eyeliner and add a peach eyeshadow above it. And the lashes are on and they're drying. I'm gonna quickly finish this makeup look and this video by applying some highlighter and finishing off with a lipstick. Okay, so my camera has died officially as I was about to end this video, and it's going to take a while to charge. So I decided to finish this video on the phone. I know, pehla for the first video that goes out in July and is pretty much the starting of my consistent posting. Not a good look, but what can you do? So as I was saying, ki a lot of people ask me about my relationship status, and honestly that's something I want to keep really private and not reveal it till like I don't know, not reveal it till like I feel like I'm in a position to reveal it. So I hope you guys understand that, and I hope you respect that. Chahat has asked me like this or that wali questions, and I thought that would be a great way to end this video. She says, books or movies? Books. Online shopping or shopping in stores? Shopping in stores, always. Animals or people? People, because animals can't talk. YouTube or Instagram? Why would you do that? I only have these two platforms. So I would say my first love is love. First love is Instagram, because I was like born on Instagram and kind of found who I was as a creator, and like what would I like to do there. But YouTube is something that I have enjoyed for years and years altogether, and it kind of pushed me to create content and just be a freelancer. So YouTube has a different special place in my heart. That's why I'm really trying to like fully focus on YouTube as well. But Instagram is somewhere that I started, so that's what I feel about the two platforms. I know, not a quick answer, but that's me. Okay, Friends or How I Met Your Mother? Friends, because I haven't watched How I Met Your Mother, and Friends is such a comforting show. You know, I've watched it and rewatched it and rewatched it quite a lot of times. Embarrassing amount of times, but it's so comforting. Like, you can have Netflix on in the background and you can use your phone and waste your time and not feel like odd that it's playing in the background. So that's why Friends. Okay, I'm going to take one last question and then we are going to end this video, because I think it's going to be another very long video. I actually kind of answered a lot of questions within like one answer, because I like read it and I was like hoping कि मैं सारे कुछ answer कर दूँ, but it's not possible in one video. We'll do more of these, of course. One last question, and that is from Tanaz. She's asking me where I get my silver jewelry from, and if I get my nails done from somewhere or I do them on my own because they look perfect. First of all, thank you. Silver jewelry I get from different stores on Instagram. I'm going to link them in the description below. These ones that I'm wearing today, these are new ones. I love them, absolutely. They're very light. These are from BP store on Instagram. I'll link it down below. As for my nails, I get nail extensions because I have to shoot videos literally every day. So I like to not put in the effort of putting on nail polish or just any effort in general. But of course lockdown ho gaya, so I didn't get anything done, and like my nails right now are super neat and tidy, and I have let them be so that they could also breathe and get strong. That's one of those fancy shocks that I have, and I don't mind it. I get them done from this place called Nail Studio, which is in Vaishali. And yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I answered a lot of your questions. I have tried to keep this video as short as possible. In case you want to attend my makeup workshop and help me raise funds, you can always go to the link in my bio and register for it. It's this weekend. And yeah, like if you guys like my videos, if you want to see more content from me, and if you're looking forward to more fashion, skincare reviews and makeup videos, then please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and make sure that you select all notifications wala option. That's when you will be notified of my videos every single time I post. And yeah, just maybe like this video, tell me you like watching me, and what do you feel. If there's any feedback, if you want me to do any other kind of content, let me know in the comments, guys. Talk to me. I love talking to you guys, and this was a lot of fun. I feel good mentally. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are keeping safe. And with that, I conclude this video. Finally, I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to see you in the next one.